Alright everyone, and welcome to yet another unboxing. This is going to be the Google Home Hub. I haven't had any Google Home Hub, I've had Google Home, so they should be interesting, and it's going to be sitting right in the front, looking from the hallway to the kitchen. And let's get started. That's pretty neat. Wow. As always, the manuals. That is the most straight up simple manual. And it begins.
Welcome to Google Home. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
Yes, I see that. Alright. Yeah, sure, why not? after we enter the phone number of our choice, wait for the verification code. So you can customize this a lot depending on how you want to see your ideal Google Home Hub, whether you want to display desktop or art gallery or Google Photos.
Welcome to your Google Nest Hub. It has the Google Assistant built in,
Hi, how can I help?
so you can use your voice to get help at a glance. Check it out. Jumpstart your day with a personalized routine. Just say, "Hey Google, good morning." For the weather, your calendar, reminders, and more.
Your commute to work is 20 minutes by car.
Simply tap to see your home screen, where you can get useful info about your day, check out videos and recipes, and explore all the things your assistant can do. Have a question? Just ask for help from Google or YouTube. Hey Google, show me how to cut a pineapple.
Okay, playing on YouTube.
Now you can see and control all of your devices from a single dashboard. Just swipe down from the top of the screen for Home View, where you can see the status of your home, view devices in each room, and adjust the lights, turn off the TV, and monitor cameras, like the Nest Hello Video doorbell. Hey Google, show me the front door. Unwind in the evening with your favorite songs and videos from YouTube Music. Hey Google, play Dua Lipa. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen to adjust volume or brightness. Or use the volume buttons behind the right side of the display. To turn off the mics, simply slide the mic mute switch. And with live albums from Google Photos, Hub will automatically display your best and latest photos of loved ones. Setup is simple in the Google Home app. What's this? It's Hub's light sensor. It allows Hub to automatically match the colors and lighting in any room, so photos on Hub blend in with your home. And when it's time for bed,
The mic's off.
for a good night's sleep.
The mic's back on.
Remember, if you ever want to learn more, just say, "Hey Google, what can you do?" Ready to give Hub a try? Swipe from the left edge of the screen to exit and get started.
And voila, Google Home Hub is all set up from your phone and connected to your everything Google, and that's it. That's the setup of Google Home Hub. Since I picked Google Photos, that's what the photos are showing up. If I have picked something else, and that have been showing up. Now let's see an example of what it can do and how to set up, I guess, smart lights. Since I do have lots of smart light, I'll be setting up those. And this is just a sneak peek at how I got set up with smart lights and how that's connected to Google and everything. So when I go out, it just, I say I'm going out and hey Google, and then I'm going out and it shuts off my smart light and everything. And I'll show you further how the lights are set up and how I can use Google commands. But yep, that'll be all. Until next time, take care. Peace out. Okay Google, turn off the hallway lights.
Okay, turning 2 lights off.
Okay Google, turn on the lights.
Sure, turning 2 lights on.